Do you know who is your life motivator? If you don't know, just watch this video, you will get the answer of the question. What you mean by the life motivator? Let's do a little activity. Okay, close your eyes and try to imagine what is coming to your mind whenever you hear or listen the word which is the life motivator. Are in your mind also someone or a person is coming who will push you forward in your life for to achieve your goals and success, who will come in your life and will decorate your whole life with flowers? Then upsetly I wanna tell to everyone that you are wrong. The person that you are thinking and searching for, he or she is not your life motivator. Then now the question comes out, then who is our life motivator? Just remember one thing, the life is yours. The success, the goals that you have set, they are yours. Okay, for to be a successful person, for to achieve your goals, the hard work that you will do, they are all yours. Then just why you are waiting for someone who will give you the motivation, who will play the role of the life motivator in your life? Just ignore all of them and become your own life's motivator. Okay, you are the only one person who will be always there in every single part of your life. Then only you have to play the role of your life motivator. Remember one thing very clearly. Just whenever you will feel demotivated, then just try to fill up your own self with motivation. Okay, don't think that someone will come to me in my life and then whenever I will feel demotivated, there will be one who will give us the motivation. They will motivate us. No. Okay, just try to observe one thing. If someone comes in your life and if they started giving you the motivation, okay, just you can do it, go ahead and then you will be successful one day. If you are thinking that you will be successful with the help of their motivation only, then you are absolutely wrong. Okay, if you don't have any type of motivation in yourself, then doesn't matter from where and who is giving you the motivation, you will fail in your life 100 times. So that's why just become a full motivated person and just face every single part of your life with courage and dedication. Don't fear from anyone, don't fear from anything in your life. Just go ahead and in every single part of your life when you will be demotivated, when you will fear from something, then just face the thing. Just spend the time with courage and motivation. So from this lesson, I am trying to understand all of you that only you are yours life motivator. If someone asks me that what is your and who is your life motivator, do you know what I will answer? I will answer only two things. The first thing, that me means I am my life motivator, and then after me, my parents are my life motivator. In everyone's life, parents play a very big role. Okay, just don't try to forget whenever you just started to learning, walking and running, in every single time when you fell down, parents are the only one person who gave you the motivation again and again to try the work again and again. So that's why they are the only one. And now, what if I ask to you that how many kinds of motivation are there in our life? Can you answer me? Yes, I think most of the people they can't. But always try to remember this thing, that there are two types of motivation in our life. One is external motivation and the another one is internal motivation. External and internal. Okay, try to understand. Now you are watching this video and you are getting a secret and a silent motivation. Means in self of yours, you are preparing yourself for to take the second hard step in your life for to be successful. So the motivation that you are getting from this video, it's called the external motivation. Okay, the motivation that we get from the quotes, the small moral story, such as like them, beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. Everything is easy and you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy and you are lazy for it. If you focus on problems, you will have more problems. If you focus on the possibilities, you are gonna get and you will have more opportunities. So this type of small quotes, small moral story, they give us a motivation. The motivation is called the external motivation. But now the question is, then what is the internal motivation? Internal motivation means our inner motivation, means our natural motivation. Okay, in everyone's life, we have a natural motivation. But now the question is, what is the natural motivation? Is a little bit difficult to understand, but if you understand, then you will be very clear for your success. It will be very helpful for you. So I am gonna explain and understand you the internal motivation with the help of a little story. So let's begin this. Once upon a time, there was a boy who loved to play the football. So that's why one day the boy said to his father that, "Father, I want to play the football. So please join me in a football academy." And then his father agreed with him, and his father joined the boy in a football academy. For to play the football good, the boy would go to the football ground for training every day. He was a good player. He was consistent for playing the football well. So that's why every day he would go to the football academy with his father for to play the football. His father used to sit in a last corner of a seat, means a bench, and used to enjoy the game. And the boy was also very hard-working boy. When after preparing himself for the football, a day came when the boy will play the first match of the football. But before the 10 or few days of their first match of football, the boy stopped coming and joining the training ground for the match. At that time, the coach of the boy, the coach thought that, oh, it may be that the boy is ill for few days, but he will come back again. I know that he is very consistent for his practicing. So that's why he took it very lightly. But the boy did not join any day of the practicing for the match. And do you know what just happened? The day came of the match. At the day of the match, when everyone was preparing for to play the football, the coach was also very tensioned about the minutes before of the match. Do you know what happened? The small boy, he appeared in the football ground, and then he ran and went to his coach and started praying and requesting the coach that, "Please coach, please give me a chance to play in this match. I am sure and I am promising to you, I will do 3 out of 3 goals and I will win the match in any type of course. Please coach, please let me play." The boy started requesting the coach very high. At that moment, the coach also explained the boy, "Try to understand, little boy, you are not able to play now because you didn't just practice at the practice and the training time. So that's why now if you play, you will play very bad and I don't want to lose this match. So just sit calmly and you will play the another next match." But the boy didn't agree with this. He was consistent for to play the football match, and after requesting for a long time, his coach just agreed with his. But the another hand, the coach was very tensioned also. And when the match started, you will not believe if I say you, as the boy promised to the coach that he will do 3 out of 3 goals and he will win the match. He also did the same. Everyone was shocked because the boy played the best game in his whole life at that day at the playground. Everyone was shocked. He was just playing very great, and for only with the help of the boy, the whole team won the match at that day. And when at the end of the match every player was celebrating, the boy was standing at the corner of the stadium with holding the football in his 2 hands. And then his coach went to the boy, and then the coach asked the boy that, "My son, what just happened to you? You didn't even join the training matches." "When we did. But suddenly today you played very good and very well. You played very amazing. What is the secret of this amazing gameplay? What you did? Did you also just practice in your home?" At that moment, the boy didn't answer anything. After a little bit time, with a smile on his face, the boy explained that, "Sir, today my father is watching me. So that's why I played very great today in this match." And then the coach was very shocked. He looked at the bench where his father used to sit and enjoy the match, but the whole bench was empty. There was no one. At that time, the coach asked with a curiosity that, "What, your father is watching you today? Every day your father come with you. So that's why for me every day your father watch your matches, your gameplay. So what is new today?" And then the boy explained and said the most hearted few sentences in this whole story. He said and replied, "Sir, my father was blind, but few days ago my father died. So that's why today my father is watching me playing the football from the sky." And by saying this story is in. So this story is a great example of the internal motivation. Okay, something happens in everyone's lives which give us very big motivation, and with the help of only this motivation we can achieve very big. Guys, I think that everyone learned a lot from today's video. In this video, I have just discussed what is the external motivation and what is the internal motivation. And I think that in your whole life, you are not gonna forget for a once what was the internal motivation. Internal motivation means our natural motivation which comes from an accident in our life, like the small boy. So it was a great story, and whenever you will just recognize the story and remember the story, then you are gonna get very motivation. So guys, bye bye. I hope that you learned something from this video, that your life motivator is only you, and then the quotes, then the stories, and then your parents. So remember it very clearly, and if you learn and get motivated for a little bit also, then guys please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for this type of more new videos. If you subscribe and hit the bell icon, then you can get all of my videos notification. I always make this type of tips and tricks, English related videos, and also motivational videos. Share your opinions about the motivation in the comment section. Bye bye guys. To a great mind, nothing is little. I am my life motivator.